Hello my sweets, welcome back to Beauty Meets DIY. Today I have a quick DIY for you guys. So to get started, you're going to need a canvas. Any size that you want is fine. I'm using the second one from the pack that I used in my previous video, and this one is 18 by 24. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead and give it a good spray paint with this ultra matte black spray paint from Rust-Oleum. Rust-Oleum is my favorite, but you can definitely do whatever color it is that you want. So I already went ahead and gave it a good spray, and now on my last one, like I did in my previous video, I spray painted for the last time, and then that's when I go ahead and sprinkle my, in this case, black glitter first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle it with some silver glitter. That's the combination that I'm using today. And then once I do that, I go ahead and give it a good spray with some hairspray, and that's just going to seal everything in, and then you want to allow it to dry. And so that's what that's looking like when it's all nice and dry. And so now what you're going to need, I'm using a plate and a chalk. You can use a chalk marker, a white pencil. I do recommend that you use white, and I'll explain why. So I'm going to go ahead and use this plate just to kind of help me out in drawing out my half circles, if you will. Guess what, guys? It's raining again. Oh, so much for sunny weather. If you hear thunder, that's what it is. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to create a smaller half circle. And as you can see, I'll start out. It's just serving as a guide. I'll go ahead and freehand it. You can freehand it if you're good at making circles. If not, that's what the plate is for, to assist you. You can do circles, you can do squares, you can do any shape that you want. This was the look that I was going for. And so that's why I'm using the round plates, of course. And again, I'm doing like half circles here and there. And that's what that's looking like so far. So now I'm going to go ahead and use these diamond acrylic gems from the Dollar Tree. Now these are hard to find, so I will link them down in the description box, and you can also find them in my Amazon store because you're going to need quite a few. And I think that for this size 18 by 24 canvas, I think I used about 7 packs of the acrylic gems. So like I said, they're hard to find. So basically what we're doing here is that we're following the line. And the reason why you're using the white is because if you use white, obviously it's not going to show through the diamond. You can't really see it. So again, I'm just following along all the lines, and you know, here and there I might drift off from the line because I want a wider space, and then I'll come afterwards off camera and touch it up with a cloth or some black paint. Now that that's done, I decided to grab some pearl strands. These you can find at the Dollar Tree, but you can definitely find them at Joann's or at Michael's and even Walmart in their craft section. Or you can use some loose pearls, but that would take forever. So I went ahead and used the necklaces. And you know, again, going with the theme, diamonds and pearls. That's what I was doing here. And at the end, you just want to use your blow dryer and like a little brush just to pick up the little hot glue webs. And that's it, you guys. It's just easy as that. And this is the end result. I absolutely love how it turned out. I don't know. What do you think? Can you guess? I think it's giving me maybe some Chanel vibes or that sort of thing. So here I'm showing you that you can, please don't make fun of me. I can't get my horizontal and my vertical. Is this, wait. I think this is vertical, I want to say. And then obviously you can display it the other way, which is horizontal, or the other way around. Excuse me, guys. But yeah, I think that this turned out gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this is something that you're going to recreate. And if you are, I want to know what background color you're going to use. Are you going to use the black, or are you going to use something else? I really want to know, as always, what you guys think. Give me those thumbs up again, as I always say, if you think that I am deserving. I definitely welcome those. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, I would love for you to subscribe if you like my content and you want to see more from me. You guys know what you need to do. Yeah, so this was pretty quick in my opinion. I had fun doing it, but again, I want to know what you guys think down below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. And If you have any suggestions or what you want me to do, always feel free to comment down below and let me know if you have any ideas or anything that you would like me to do, because sometimes I don't know what you guys want to see exactly. If you do want to see some more fall DIYs, let me know down below. It kind of lets me know if I should go with that or go with something else. I really do appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.